How to turn off autoplay video in YouTube home screen. So for that, open YouTube. Now as you can see, it's playing itself. I don't want to play this. I want to save my data. So when I scroll on YouTube homepage, the video starts playing itself, and I don't want to do it because it's consuming a lot of data. I want to turn this off. So for that, go to your logo here. As you can see from the top right corner, tap your logo, and after that go to this settings on the top right corner, tap here, and from here you need to select general. Okay, just tap general. So now you just need to tap this option which says playback in feed, and now from here simply turn this option off. That's it. It's that simple. Now let's check. So as you can see, that autoplay video is turned off, and I can save a lot of data from now. So no more autoplay and no more data getting reduced. So this is how you do it. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.